It's not about having more time. It's about creating more value with the time that you have. Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're well. Today we are talking about the concept of time. You know, a lot of times in online business, you are constantly hearing messages of just quick success, instant profit, put in 5 minutes and made $5,000 or whatever, right? You can have overnight success, but oftentimes we forget about all the work and effort that was put in to lead up to those moments. And so really when you think about it, it wasn't instant success. It's actually been building and building and building, and then it shot up. It's really important to look at the time and the effort that was needed to get to those instant success stories. There's a concept called Einstein Time. Basically, it's the idea that time is relative. You know, it can speed up, it can slow down, it can expand based on your perception and engagement with time. And basically, the idea is that the way we experience time is directly related to how much we focus on what matters most. You know, when you're deeply engaged in something meaningful, time seems to stretch, allowing you to accomplish so much more. We all have 24 hours in a day, right? Why is it that some people can achieve so much more in 24 hours than what you might feel like you can achieve? This is how Einstein's theory applies to business, entrepreneurship, goal setting in general. It's not about having more time. It's about creating more value with the time that you have. Man, I used to think that I cannot do as much as I really thought I could. I walked around with thinking that my capacity was set and limited, and then I would actually project my understanding of capacity and time on other people and say, oh, well, they can't achieve that. Yeah, they don't have the time for that. They don't have the capacity for that. I was actually limiting other people based on my perception of time and what I thought was possible, because I thought that some people that get all this stuff done in 24 hours, well, they're just special or they're different or they have something that I don't have. So when you think back and you look at the people that had that instant success, that overnight transformations, remember that there was a journey for them that sometimes, in many cases, took many years to get, where they was working on their mindset, learning skills that they needed to learn, trial and error, all the failures. Think of all the failures that oftentimes lead to those overnight transformations, those over instant profits or whatever. So to wrap things up, there's going to be times when giving up just seems like an easier option, but persistence is really where the magic happens. Your business, your growth, your impact is still unfolding. And so when you face setbacks, just remember that you haven't hit your peak yet, and it's right around the corner. You're just getting started. And that's all I have for you today. I hope it was encouraging. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. What stood out to you from this one today? Hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.